It's the date and time that it is, and the latest upload with regard to matters pertaining to my human rights being violated in my hometown, Tralee, County Kerry, pertain to the matters of individuals that have been disrespecting, as I keep reiterating, the formal procedures of ombudsmen that have been in motion from my experience in 2017 that are not as of yet acknowledged. So as I've shown in my previous uploads, the paperwork, the recollection and facts of the experience that surrounded the matter of my child being unlawfully separated from me are as today unchanged. There was no lawful care order implemented on the day, the time or the hour of my child being taken from me. Neither were there conditions that meet requirements for a child to be separated from a mother in my circumstances. He had not been abandoned, he had not been abused, he had not been neglected. Now, as I've mentioned, since becoming a married mother, I have been harassed by practitioners that have been assisting offences against the state, which culminate as hate crime. So as a recovery advocate and as an advocate of sanity and sobriety, the insanity of this situation is quite outrageous. My child, as I've mentioned, is officially a missing person. I've not seen my son in quite a while. I've not received updates from the Child and Family Agency, TUSA, with regard to his progress, development and his experiences in education and informal circumstances. So the people that have been preying and coveting my marital property and disrespecting my nuptials and my bloodline have demonstrably not only damaged a family unit, they've also damaged a hierarchy of needs of a qualified professional woman of legislation that has altered the face of this country. This is common knowledge, and the guards in particular are aware of what I am referring to with regard to the transformations that have been occurring in society as a consequence of my work in 2018. So as a recovery advocate since 2006, as a teacher since 2003, this entire matter has been quite insulting to all fields that I represent. And as a mother, a married mother as of 2015, those causing me these offences as a consequence of my beautiful property, of my marriage and ancestry, are of retaliatory repeat offences. Now, as I've mentioned, where I'm living at the moment has been a place of very serious violations, very serious retaliatory offences, all explained in my previous uploads. And this is for the attention of the United Nations with regard to my original application in 2019 and the individuals that are trespassing upon royal patronage of this country and that are slandering my good name, character and reputation and disrespecting recent legislation. So the legislation that I represent culminates in not only criminal justice, child reform, wildlife and nature, agriculture, and other areas also. So I'd appreciate the guards and the government addressing the very dangerous issue in Tralee, County Kerry that culminates as treason and hate crime. Again, that's offences against the state I'm experiencing. So I'd appreciate immediate acknowledgement before repeat offenders are loose and liable for further